right? 2003-2004 batch, group, sorry, 2002, group 6, Chaba ma'am, and I will accompany you. Group 7, 2003-2004 batch will move to 10th A with Anjali Bhati ma'am and Anamma John move to 9th B with Sir Yashwant and Shilpa Joseph ma'am. After a short interaction here, we will all move to our classes and our class teachers will take the lead.
I hope when you get the information of this alumni meet, which is the first ever in the Bayawat city, in St. Paul's, in our school, शायद कुछ ऐसे मन में आपकी फीलिंग रही होगी, किसी को लोन की फिक्र है, कहीं हेल्थ टेस्ट का जिक्र है, किसी को लोन की फिक्र है, कहीं हेल्थ टेस्ट का जिक्र है, फुर्सत की सभी को कमी है, आँखों में अजीब सी नमी है, फुर्सत की सभी को कमी है, आँखों में अजीब सी नमी है। कल जो प्यार के खत लिखते थे, कुछ याद कीजिए पुराने दिन कि कल जो प्यार के खत लिखते थे आज बीमे के फॉर्म भरने में लगे हैं। कल जो प्यार के खत लिखते थे आज बीमे के फॉर्म भरने में लगे हैं, पर ये हकीकत है दोस्तों कि कुछ दोस्त थकने लगे हैं। थैंक यू।
As I said, आपकी कुर्सियाँ नंबर के हिसाब से रखी हैं, so we can see the attendance of yours. रेड हाउस के करीब 10 स्टूडेंट्स एब्सेंट हैं, ब्लू हाउस ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट है, येलो हाउस once again 20 students are absent, and green house also once again I think they are a good number with 10 students less. But no issues. अभी हमारे पास में जो समय है कुछ हम लोग बातचीत कर लेते हैं। हमने ये एलुमनाई क्यों रखा, कब सोचा, क्यों सोचा? या प्लीज विजिट। फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट किया था मैंने लास्ट ईयर, काफी लोग आए, लेकिन जैसे बाइबल में लिखा है बुलाए तो बहुत है, चुने तो कुछ जाते हैं। कुछ चुन करके रजिस्ट्रेशन करने लगे, लेकिन बहुत जल्दीबाजी की और रजिस्ट्रेशन का पैसा वापस मांग लिया। आई फेल्ट इट वेरी वेरी बैड। क्या स्कूल के पास में 1000 रुपीज़ भी नहीं है? Response was not that happy one. Many came with lot of suggestions. But then I said, जैसा कि as principal time होता है, एक टाइम लिमिट के बाद में ट्रांसफ़र होता है, and I am in that line now. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं, ये मेरा लास्ट ईयर शायद है, शुरुआत तो कर दूँ। I am also a student of St. Paul's School, Ajmer. And your first principal was my last principal there. After that continued, Father John Pinto. When we came here, उनकी याद में क्या करना चाहिए, और उसके पहले इतिहास बताता है कि 1970 जिस साल में मेरा बर्थ हुआ, उस साल में फादर जूसे मारी रॉड्रिक्स, जिनकी फ़ोटो तक मुझे नहीं मिल पा रही थी, उन्होंने अपने पैसे से, नॉट फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी और मिशनरीज, उनका खुद का अपना पैसा से ये पूरी ज़मीन को खरीदी थी। 1970 में दौर चलता रहा, और उसके बाद में जाकर के 1981 में जब हमारे धर्माध्यक्ष, we had a chairman, till 78-79 we had old bishop who did not give the permission to start the school for various reasons. In 79 we had the new bishop, Bishop Ignatius Menezes, He was ordained as a bishop in 79, and most probably this was the first project of his to give the permission to start a school. So 81 was the foundation laid here, and Father John Pinto, who was already retired, came here as a principal and manager and teacher and the servant and the driver, and list goes on. That's why I heard some of seniors telling me, Father, यहाँ पे छोटी सी झोपड़ी थी, मेट्रोडोर हुआ करती थी, और उस मेट्रोडोर में जाया करते थे, बिग टिन शेड के साथ में. And you can imagine that those days, principal where he was staying. तो हम लोग उस जगह से, उस स्थिति से यहाँ तक आए हैं, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इस स्कूल को सिल्वर जुबली कराने वाले फादर कैंशियस थे. लेकिन उसके बाद में भी 2031 में, जबकि मैं रिटायर हो जाऊंगा, आई विल बी 60, दिस स्कूल इज गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट द गोल्डन जुबली आफ्टर 6 years. लेकिन हम लोग साथ जुड़े ही नहीं हैं, हम एक दूसरे को मिल ही नहीं पाए. बाहर मार्केट में बात चर्चा होती है कि दिस प्रिंसिपल इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, ही डजंट मीट, ही डजंट कोऑपरेट. But then I have my own way of doing the things. You can understand, and you will understand by evening. And by now you must understand when we are interacting in the group. तो मैंने सोचा कि why not we should have a alumni meet of this kind, जो भी है. जब सोच रहा था तो लक्ष्मण सर मेरे पास में आए कि फादर आपसे एक स्टूडेंट मिलना चाहता है. मैंने कहा यस, मिलते हैं. सिद्धार्थ इज देयर? सिद्धार्थ ओके. वो आया मेरे पास में. फादर सर ने कहा कि फादर आपसे कोई स्टूडेंट मिलना चाहता है, उनको कुछ गेम्स करवाने, कंपटीशन करवाने. मेन वाले उन्होंने देखा था कि वी आर हैविंग ऑनलाइन कॉम्पिटिशन्स, वी आर हैविंग इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन, वी आर हैविंग नेशनल लेवल स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन, सो मेनी कॉम्पिटिशन्स वी आर हैविंग. यू कैन सी ऑन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल. So I think he was also happy to see us having different type of activities. So he wanted to have a tournaments. किसके साथ में? हमारे एलुमनाई के साथ. तो उस सोच के साथ वो मेरे पास में आए. तब तक मेरा दिमाग और दिल बहुत से भरा हुआ था, मुझे एलुमनाई मीट करवानी है. So he was the first one to start. आग लगाने वाले नहीं, चिंगारी लगाने वाले. Okay. Then I said, hold on. I am fascinated by one person, and that is Vaibhav. Where is Vaibhav? Why? आप ये पिच देख रहे हैं, मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूँ. I don't play cricket at all, and I don't like cricket at all because for me it is a waste of time. But then ये ग्राउंड दिया गया, Jain Social, am I right? Yeah, they came for request me to allow them for the cricket. And that was the first time I gave this ground. We never give, especially outsiders. I said no, they are my students. Let's see. और गर्मी की छुट्टियों में ये करने वाले हैं. And the way they conducted the tournament here, I was really taken up by. And in that, the so cool boy was Vaibhav. So I told him, Vaibhav, I want to meet you in my office. इतने पास की दूरी थी, but then still he took 4 days to come to my place. And we met at the Mother Grotto. Father, आपने मुझे याद किया. Sorry, I could not meet you. I said, hold on, you continue playing. We'll meet tomorrow. वहाँ से इस दौर की शुरुआत हुई. Then Vaibhav said, Father, I'll bring some of my batch people. Let's see what can be done. Then I told Vaibhav, I know you are a well-to-do person, but I don't want you to sponsor. I don't want you to go in deficit. I want your cooperation. Will you be able to come with me? Then he said, yes, Father, I am there. And with me, Ashish is the one who can support us. So Ashish is the second person from the same batch. And now I knew Ashish. अभी आशीष को देखें. Where is Ashish? Please stand. थोड़ा चश्मा भी उतार दे. Yeah, when you see him, लाल आंखें, देखते डर लगता है. But then he had come to me before that once because they are our parents also. तो आशीष एक बार में आए, फादर हमारा ग्रुप आपसे मिलना चाहता है. I said I don't meet people in group. Each one has his own problem and each one has his own solution. You have a problem, you come to me. No, Father, we want to discuss with you about few things. We want you to come up with few new ideas, and we are there to help you. Fine, I said, but then Ashish didn't turn up after that. But Ashish came when the Vaibhav started. तो वैभव के साथ में आशीष जुड़े. Then we said, let's have the meeting. We had a first meeting with few people. And that Rahul and Rahul's better half, Ruchika, and Ruchika's friend, what's your name? Preeti, and Muslim boy, क्या नाम है उसका? Shehzad, and many more. I think 20 of them were there. Then we said, let's go for the next meeting. Till then we were searching. हमारे कहीं कुछ सी तो हो कर ले भाई. रुचि ने कहा मेरा सीजन चलता है और मैं दही बड़ा बेचती हूँ तो मैं तो नहीं आ सकती. राहुल ने कहा फादर मैं बहुत बिजी रहूँगा. ये महिला मंडल ने कहा कि फादर आप रख रहे हैं भाई दूज के दिन, हम तो भाई दूज मनाने के लिए जाएंगे. हमारी मौलिना जो न्यू वेडेड क्वीन इज हियर एंड शी इज आल्सो एलुमनाई प्लस प्रेजेंट टीचर. तो ये लड़कियों ने मेरे को बड़ा हताश किया कि फादर थर्ड इज नॉट अ गुड डे. But I said no, जो भी आएंगे हम करेंगे. Then we wanted someone to help us for the finance. Another person, about whom I can say, he is my third eye. He is Saurabh. Saurabh, I think I like S. So this Saurabh is another one who came to me twice. Saurabh, please stand there and wanting to know who is this Saurabh. Himanshu Saurabh. Sorry. Himanshu. Never even. Himanshu. Such a fine person. Very fine person. Very aggressive like me. Very systematic in dealing with the things. और आज तक सुबह भी उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज किया. आपको हमने और आशीष ने भी सुबह मैसेज किया. Around 3:30, 4:30 or 5 o'clock I was sending the message, I suppose you must have seen. So that was the time I met Himanshu because of his admission, children's admission. Once I rejected because underage, later I went. But then I found he is another fine person. और आपको शाम को पूरी डिटेल बता देंगे आपने कितना पैसा दिया, कितना खर्च हुआ, कितना डेफिसिट में है, आगे क्या कर सकते हैं. So this is my team. इनके साथ में मेरे साथ जो जुड़े हुए थे, you know, who could be the boss? जसपाल सर. जहाँ पे कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिले वहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन जसपाल सर है. आपको सुई से लेकर के एरोप्लेन तक को ठीक करने का हुनर चाहिए तो जसपाल सर के पास में. The second, the hard working person is सुमित सर. और थर्ड पर्सन खाने पीने के लिए देखना पड़ता हमारे शर्मा जी तो हैं. इन्होंने खाना चलता ही नहीं और खाने में क्यों वहीं है नहीं. शर्मा जी या ब्रिजेश सर, क्योंकि काफ़ी चीज़ें वो CBSE से जुड़े हुए हैं, चीज़ें देखते हैं और आप लोगों को भी जानते हैं और आप लोगों को भी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस उनके साथ में. प्रिंसिपल से मिलने से पहले आपको उनसे मिलना पड़ता है. तो you know ब्रिजेश सर. So these 3 people were from my side and we had 3 people, the 6 people plus me, 7 people. Good thing was they never said no to what I said, and that's how चीज़ें बनती गई, चीज़ें चलती गई. And then we made different committees. आप लोगों को यहाँ आने के लिए समस्या थी. हमारे टीचर्स दिवाली की छुट्टियों में भी, जो कि मैंने बहुत पहले कह चुका था कि आपको भाई दूज के दिन यहाँ होना होगा. They were here yesterday also for the full rehearsal. They were in the morning here. They also had a festival. They have, उनकी बहू भी है, उनकी सास भी है, बेटे भी हैं, बच्चे भी हैं, पोते भी हैं. उन सबको छोड़ करके they were there and they are here with us. So this is the collective effort. So it's not one man show. It is a show of everyone, and everyone has taken the pain to make this day. Each one has their own problem. कई लोगों के परिवार में पहला त्योहार है, कई लोगों के भाई बहन पहली बार आ रहे हैं. But then आपका एंथुसियाज्म भी इन्होंने देखा कि आप कितने एक्टिव हैं ग्रुप में. And that made the day to have what we have today. Now since our former principal, our senior most is here, now I request Father Canisius to speak few things about why this alumni should be, how we can go and what are your suggestions? Okay, mics please, we have. You can give your suggestions. We have 10 to 15 minutes for this interaction session. This was not an official alumni committee. It was a core committee which we formed to work and come to this platform. अब इसके आगे आप क्या लेके जाना चाहते हैं और कैसे लेके जाना चाहते हैं, आपकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है. हो सकता है 5 साल के बाद में आप मुझे न बुलाएं, लेकिन मैं ये चाहूँगा कि आप कम से कम अपने साथियों के साथ में जुड़े रहें. I see to it that all our former teachers also join. आपने ये मैसेज किया, वो आपके पास में थे. हमने आपसे ये भी पूछा कि अगर आप जानते हैं, क्योंकि कई टीचर्स के फ़ोन नंबर हमारे पास में नहीं है, एड्रेस नहीं है, आप जानते हैं तो आप मुझे नंबर दें और हम कांटेक्ट करें. और आई एम हैप्पी टू सी वेरी फ्यू टीचर्स ओनली आई नो, बट देन मेरे समय में कम से कम 6 या 7 टीचर्स रिटायर भी हुए हैं और बहुत शानदार रिटायरमेंट दिया है, इंक्लूडिंग हमारे डोमेस्टिक स्टाफ श्रवण सिंह जी और भैरू सिंह जी को भी हमने बहुत अच्छा रिटायरमेंट दिया है. और आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल वैभव पॉलाइन वैभव, इसकी भी स्टोरी है. आप जानते होंगे वैभव रावत who became IAS and came here. Now he has joined IFS. He's in Berlin. जब वो वहाँ पर हमारे यहाँ पर आए तो मैंने उनको कहा था कि वैभव बहुत अच्छा नाम है. वैभव मतलब फैला नाम नहीं है ना. सो आई सेड आपके नाम पर हम एक यूट्यूब चैनल चालू करेंगे, ऑनलाइन वैभव. तो आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर देख सकते हैं पूरे प्रोग्राम पिछले कोरोना काल से लेकर के आज तक कि क्या क्या कार्यक्रम हुए. सो वी वांट टू गिव द रिकग्निशन टू यू ऑल एंड वी वांट यू ऑल टू कम टू द your alma mater and help us. We don't need your financial help. We want your psychological help to us. At times we are alone, serving 2,500 students plus parents and the market. अभी हो सकता है शायद ब्यावर में हर एक घर से एक बच्चा तो सेंट पॉल स्कूल से पढ़ करके गया है. एडमिशन की कोई समस्या नहीं है यहाँ पर. But then you are lucky enough that you are here. So rest of the things I'll hand over to Father Cancius to speak about.
Thank you, Father. I'm so very happy to see you all. I never expected that such a big number of students will be here. For the last 1.5 months, Father was thinking of this, planning for this, and he made me also to make a video that you are coming anyway. So I had to set that even 1 month before. I meet so many of my students from 2000 to 2006. All those who were in that time, they met me. Only one thing they remember, how much I beat them. They never remember anything good, only this. So, and of course, they remembered the picnics and tours we used to have every year. And many of them used to join. And this was my first school as a principal of a senior secondary school. And from here, I have now completed 25 years as a principal of senior secondary school. I am grateful to this school because I learned a lot from the school. And I enjoyed the most in the school, working for this school. You all know that before 2000, there was a decline in our school development, and as I was talking to one of our staff in 2000 when I took over, he said, "Father, it will take another 5 years to come up to that level of our standard of our school." I said, "Yes, I will try." And within 2 years, that our school came up to the standard that we expected and the Biawar people expected. And I am very grateful to the people of Biawar for supporting me, there was no principal who continued here for more than 5 years. And I was the only one who was here for 6 years. And I had the privilege of celebrating the Silver Jubilee, 25 years of this school. And from then, now it has gone up, now I think 43 years now. My dear students, I have been in many schools, and not many schools conduct this alumni meet. Not in this way. They have batch-wise, like 30, 40 or even 100 students come in a batch. But to call or invite students from 1984 to 2005 or 2015, or what is the last batch that you are having here? 2020. Okay. So it's very difficult to organize, and even to contact you, it is very difficult. And Father has, along with the other students, he has managed to invite you. I found it very difficult in my school where I wanted to have this alumni meet. Very difficult to get the address, phone number, very difficult. But he has done so well. See the arrangement. These are all you cannot think of. And only for you, he has done all this. What is the purpose of calling you all here? What is the purpose of giving this nostalgia feeling? What is the purpose of, getting you to know one another? As now my classmate is, what is he doing? Where is he? What is his family situation? You come to know the tree of nostalgia. I was thinking, whose idea is this? Fantastic. My dear students, this particular meet should have, a kind of idea that you belong to this family. Now we call it Pauline family. Pauline family means the family of Saint Paul. Not only the present teachers or staff or students belong to this Pauline family. You all belong to the Pauline family. And when you belong to a family, you care for one another. You look after one another. You ask about one another. How are you? How is it going on? These are the things that we, show our concern towards others. And that's what should be now. Now you have come to know your batchmates, where they are, what are they doing, how well they are doing. You have come to know. And now, when you think of your school, you should have that attachment towards that school. I studied 11th and 12th or even the previous classes in South. So when I go to South for holidays, I used to pass through that school. And what kind of nostalgia I used to have. Where I studied, which class, which teachers, all that used to come to my mind. That's what you should also have, that attachment towards your alma mater. Students, as Father said, your support is very much necessary. These days, Father is running the school so well, no controversies, no problems as such. Open problems, maybe internal there may be, but open problems we don't have as we used to have earlier. But still, the support that you would give will be a very, very valuable one. Anything that happens, Father said, no, we are alone here. We have no family. Sisters have no family. Father has no family. My family is only this school. And so when I am alone, looking after such a large area, there may be some problems here and there. What is your support? What is your concern for this school? Can you run and see there is some problem in the school? Can I do something for the school? Can I support the school? Can you run and come and see, Father, what can I do for you? What can I do for us to solve this problem? Will you be able to come? Yes, most of you are in Bombay, Ahmedabad or Gujarat or in Bangalore. But yet, one call, Father, we are with you. That is enough. Your financial support is not counted much, but your the mental support, your psychological support, that is what is counted. When I am alone, if there is any problem, if I come to know my students are with me, I will be at least consoled. I will be strengthened. I will not have any fright or stress in my mind. That's what we need to help the school run smoothly in all the ways possible. And of course, Father is doing so well here, and he is known to run schools well everywhere else also. So I am happy once again. And in what way you can help the school? Even in a financial way, or even in some kind of facilities that you can provide, batch-wise or even family-wise. You want to have something in your father's name. Your father has expired some post, and in his name you want to continue something that you can have here also in his name or her name. You can continue something like some prizes or something that you want to have. There is in Kota, when I was there in St. Paul's, one batch of students, they sponsored this RO plant. The whole plant for the whole school, RO, that was donated. So like that, something or other, you come together and say, yes, for my alma mater, we will do this, we will give this, or we will give this. Your own students are there, or your own sons and daughters are here also, I think, many of yours. So in something or other, some way or other, you can help, support spiritually, mentally, psychologically, and even financially. Whatever way possible, please help, and in that way also you can develop the nostalgia feeling in yourself. I thank Father Francis for giving me this opportunity and inviting me much longer so that I will not run away during the holidays anywhere else. And so he invited me, and I assured him that I would be here from the morning, and I'm happy to meet you all and wish you all the best. Have a wonderful time, meet one another, and enjoy yourself. God bless you. Thank you.
I want to suggest one thing to be implemented in the school. So, recently in last 2-3 years, I encountered something which has changed my life entirely, which has eradicated all my material problems which I face in my life, or at least reduced them, to a large extent, and that is, my encounter with spirituality and spiritual science. And when I say spirituality or spiritual science, it is beyond any religion, right? So like we used to have 0 period for some games or some dance, there should be, I feel so that every day in morning at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes meditation should be there for every student, because when student from their childhood start meditating every day, and they encounter this spiritual science which is meditation, when they connect with their own heart, the God inside their heart, they change as human.
Okay.
Meditation, yoga, and even during our regular hours in the classes, every teacher takes different turns, and before every class, every lesson, we have 2 to 3 minutes meditation, yogas, all types of spiritual lessons. So be rest assured, your children are in good hands.
Thank you. Any other?
Spirituality. But he said something has changed him in his life. That is what more important, that he realizes that I was wrong and I have changed, and he wants that his children at least should be brought up in a better way. You know. Thank you, Benson. Thank you.
Hello.
Value education classes as well as meditation, yoga, and even during our regular hours in the classes, every teacher takes different turns, and before every class, every lesson, we have 2 to 3 minutes meditation, yogas, all types of spiritual lessons. So be rest assured, your children are in good hands.
Thank you. Another?
Yes, I am happy that Mohit Bansal has suggested this, but I remember when he was here, he was hardly interested in spirituality. But he said something has changed him in his life. That is what more important, that he realizes that I was wrong and I have changed, and he wants that his children at least should be brought up in a better way. You know. Thank you, Benson. Thank you.
Hello.
Father, first of all, for organizing such a good event, and Father has asked all of us to suggest something. Although there is not much to suggest, because Father has already done so much. And just to add on, I would like to suggest that since we have so many alumni, right, starting right from the year 1992, I would just like to suggest that we should have a group, whether it may be a WhatsApp group or an Instagram group, for all those alumni right from the beginning and for all the years passing by, in which we have all the students who can help other students irrespective of their field, whether they are in the medicine field or in the engineering or any other field. And this suggestion I got from my daughter, who is in St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. She told me that their medical alumni, they have got a batch, a group rather, I wish to say, in which there are so many their seniors who are associated in that group, and they are residing throughout the world. And if anybody likes to have any kind of help, he just put on that group, and any of their seniors who is aware of this problem, they suggest for the problem and help comes up for the help. This kind of help we should also have, so that our juniors or maybe the seniors also, they can get help of each other and can help also each other. Thank you.
Good suggestion.
I think a lot of us can actually help the younger students. For example, if someone is looking for a job or a corporate advice, I think in business, that's something which we can do. That will actually help us give us back to the society. That's what we would like to do. That's one. And the second suggestion is for the evening pieces, that's in this kind of thing. If you can also call our spouses for the evening piece, so they can come and see the school. You feel very proud when you see the school. It's going to be a great thing if you can also call them like once a year or whatever time. Because my spouse will not see the school, and I would really like her to come. Thank you so much, brother. And thanks once again for organizing this.
Nowadays, see, I am also associated with the field of education. I'm working in that. But the problem with the today's kids is they don't know what to do. The problem lies with the school kids starting वहीं से हो जाता है. As such, Bangalore में apart from the school there is nothing. I mean, people go for CA and all that. But actually in the real world, their options are many, which may our teacher know or don't know. I don't have any idea. We can guide the students कि 10th के बाद आपके पास ये options हैं, 12th के बाद आपके पास ये options हैं. You can choose a lot. But I don't know, यहाँ पे इतना मैं देखता नहीं हूँ. And because the study also says that this generation is confused. They know many things, but base में उनको कुछ नहीं आता. So we can guide them what to do in the field of arts, commerce, science. There are a lot of things beyond IIT or medical, the many things that we can actually help them.
Be one career counseling cell in the school where the students and the parents both, they can interact with the counselor and can guide the students not only in the field of education but other curricular activities too, so they can choose in a better way. Thank you.
Yeah, I should add that one. Ma'am, I mean, we are in Biawar, and I was told when I was starting the science, because it was a wonder for me, why we not start the science. I did not ask Father Canisius also. I was in Vijayanagar, we started in 2001. We already started science there. And when I came here, there was no science faculty. I was told this is all people, those who go for CA and CA and CA only. But I want to have the variety. Whom do we have now? My previous school, even here also, many are going for the coaching. Many are going for different academies. But till today, I do not find any result. And you'll see, if you are coming for our annual function, the topper, in fact, the Biawar topper with 98% girl is science student is from St. Paul's School. It's just 3 or 4 clearly. Adding to that, that girl has not gone for any tuition. So such people wanted to have a career counseling, and I tried from Bombay. There are some teachers and some alumni also suggested me the names and all. But then मैं किसके लिए करूं? मुझे तो कैरियर की जरूरत नहीं है. आप पेरेंट्स हैं, आपके बच्चे और आप आते हैं. Ask a senior, some of them are here. Parents don't even know that tomorrow is the result day. क्या जरूरत है तुझे जाने की? गले पे बैठ जा. अटेंडेंस की क्या जरूरत पड़ी है? जसपाल सर अटेंडेंस दे देंगे. That's why I made a point this year. इस साल आपको खबर मिलेगी, अखबार में भी आ जाएगा कि 75% से कम अटेंडेंस वाले सेंट पॉल स्कूल ब्यावर के बच्चे करीब 50% हैं जो एग्जाम में नहीं बैठ पाएंगे. एक नहीं, मैं तो 4 वार्निंग दे चुका हूँ, लिखित में दे चुका हूँ, मेरे पास प्रूफ है. आई एम अ लॉयर, बिना प्रूफ के काम नहीं करता हूँ. तो सब चीज़ की तो प्रूफ तो मेरे पास में होगा, लेकिन कहीं में तो शुरू करना पड़ेगा. So it is very unfortunate. We want to have this type of things. Not that we don't want to have. Many are coming. आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट, पता नहीं कौन कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट वाला है. हमें पता है कि 10वीं क्लास के बाद वो बच्चे ले जाएंगे, उनको और बहलाएंगे, फुसकाएंगे, हमारे टीचर को भी बहलाएंगे, उनको कमीशन मिलेगा, और उसके बाद में क्या होगा? कोई तो इंजीनियर नहीं बना, कोई डॉक्टर नहीं बना. अच्छा से अच्छा रिजल्ट लेने वाला भी बच्चा घूम रहा है, क्योंकि उसकी बेसिक्स क्लियर नहीं है. मैंने राजस्थान से पढ़ाई की है. मैं शायद ऐसा व्यक्ति हूँ जिसने 10th बोर्ड दिया, 11th बोर्ड दिया, 12th बोर्ड दिया और ब्रिज कोर्स करके ग्रेजुएशन किया. हमारे समय में राजस्थान बोर्ड टफ था सीबीएसई से, और आज भी मैं ये कहता हूँ, सीबीएसई तो कोई कोर्स ही नहीं है, और उसके लिए हमारे पेरेंट्स लड़ने के लिए आ जाते हैं. कोर्स लेंथी है, हमारे बैठे कुछ सीनियर्स यहाँ पर, कोर्स लेंथी है, आपने तो इतना लंबा दे दिया, कैसे पढ़ेंगे भाई? हमने 4 साल की पढ़ाई 30 मिनट में की है. फादर बनने से पहले हमारा लास्ट एग्जाम होता है, जो वाइवा होता है, जो आप लोगों ने केवल में दिया होगा. वाइवा 4 साल की पढ़ाई को 30 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट करना है. RSIS का इंटरव्यू जो आपको होता है. बट आज स्टूडेंट्स आर फोकस्ड, आर दे बैलेंस इन दैट? आई डोंट नो. I have a big doubt and big question mark. Well, we are trying, we still see. मुझे अभी से ही लगता है कि नेक्स्ट 10th क्लास के बच्चे क्या सब्जेक्ट लेने वाले हैं, कहाँ जाने वाले, ऑलरेडी डिसाइड कर लिया है. कब कैरियर काउंसलिंग करेंगे? सरकार को गर्मी ज़्यादा लगती है, सरकार को सर्दी ज़्यादा लगती है, सरकार को बरसात ज़्यादा लगती है, साथ में पेरेंट्स जिन्होंने फीस दे दी है उनको भी लगता है क्योंकि घूमने जाना है. सर्दी की छुट्टी होती है कि हमें कश्मीर घूमने जाना है. तो प्रॉब्लम तो यहाँ है, आप इतना पैसा देके खर्च कर रहे हैं एजुकेशन दिलाने के लिए, लेकिन आपका सहयोग हमें मिल नहीं रहा है. मैं सोच रहा था कि कल से मैं स्कूल चालू करूँ यहाँ पर, जयपुर में स्कूल लगेगी, लेकिन क्या मैं स्कूल चालू कर सकता हूँ? नहीं कर देंगे आप लोग. एसडीएम के पास में लेटर पहुंच जाएगा, जो मेरा खास होगा वही पहुंचाएगा. So that's वैभव जैसे बहुत वैभव बनाने वाले, वैसे वैभव, but it is not that way. But then this is the reality. Of course, we are thinking of doing it. Any other questions, please? Any other? Yeah.
Hi, this is regarding the school curriculum that we are following. So basically, we follow more theoretical part of the curriculum, like throughout the 10th or 11th grade. But I would like to add some lab classes, more like engineering courses or something related, like a real world example. I had in 2006 we have a science exhibition, and I think I had some practical like project created, and when I was demoing in front of everyone, and my boards were 2 months apart. So
Hello, he's come all the way from abroad. Listen to us. Listen to him.
So basically, when I was demoing my project, like many parents came to my parents and told that why your kid is doing here like demoing instead of studying at home. So I just want to tell every parent that give a free hand to the kid so they can explore their field, what they want to become. Many parents here, especially in Bihar or in India, they just focus on whatever gives the bread, butter, earning. They never focus what the kid can achieve in her life. So I was just want to think like if school can add some extra lab classes along with the theoretical classes that can help students to explore the field they want to be in. Thank you.
Recently, I've been to France, in Paris. As a small kids going to the railway station, what experience they're having? They're having the experience how to go to the counter to take the tickets, how to board the train, how to. I thought of doing here. Many of our students don't even know they have not even traveled by train. So when we go and take them for the excursion is not musty. They learn many things. So we are thinking of doing it. Thank you for your suggestions. We have a pipeline, but once again, parents' cooperation, and we'll see that it is coming up because this is a CBSE requirement. These days, not theoretical, practical. That's why even if you go for the tuitions to their own teacher, questions are different. In CBSE board when the exams will come, questions are not to be 2 plus 2 kitna hota hai. There's going to be in a tricky way. And those tricks are now teachers are teaching. We are focusing on that. Thank you for your suggestions. Yeah. Any other?
Different fields. Right. So my suggestion is that I was hearing many things that people only want to see and just sit on the shop. Right. So I think have those sessions from all those people who are in different fields and give that to children so that they can benefit from what those students have actually gone through and learn from that. And maybe some students will benefit.
Yeah, now we have come to that level. We call our own parents to come and interact and talk to our students. You are also please, anytime you think to address our students, mostly on Saturdays we have kept this day, time. So morning hours, if you want to interact, like Weber was telling me, Father, as long as I was here, I never felt the importance of English. He speaks very good English. Then I said, please come and address our students. Because when we tell them, वो मारवाड़ी में बात करते हैं, मैं भी बात कर सकता हूँ मारवाड़ी में, मैं भी लोकल हूँ। ऑनलाइन भी। कहाँ जा रहे हो? अरे कहाँ लोग बेटे? मिर्ची बड़ा खाएगी? मिर्ची बड़ा खाएगी? Yeah, so why not? I don't speak Marwari, but you have opted that we should be in English medium school, pronunciation, and you are given a very good platform. It's not that our teachers are not well versed. हमारे पेरेंट्स ही कहते हैं, फादर आप अंग्रेजी में पढ़ाते हैं, बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आती है। भाई आप तो दुकान पे बैठे हैं, मम्मी तो किट्टी पार्टी में बैठी है, तो बच्चा तो मोबाइल पर है। तो कहाँ से सीखेगा? वो मोबाइल से ही सीख रहा है। और मोबाइल में क्या क्या चीज़ सीख रहा है आप सोच नहीं सकते। और नाम क्या आता है? जब स्कूल ड्रेस में बच्चा घूमता है, सुबह 4 बजे स्कूल ड्रेस में ट्यूशन जाता है, कौन से बच्चे कहाँ जा रहा है? शर्मा जी का बच्चा नहीं जा रहा है, सेंट पॉल स्कूल का बच्चा जा रहा है। भाई हमने सिखाया क्या? प्रिंसिपल बोल रहा है या टीचर बोल रहा है? आप पेरेंट्स जिम्मेदार हैं। अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई हैव टू टेल यू ऑल दिस इज अ रियलिटी। आप जानते हैं, लेकिन क्या आप लोग कंट्रोल करते हैं? लास्ट ईयर जो यहाँ पर डीवाईएसपी थे, मनीष चौधरी, he was student of our missionary school from Sikar, and I told him clearly, शाम को बच्चे गेम्स में आते हैं या सुबह स्कूल में आते हैं, अगर उनके पास लाइसेंस नहीं है तो आप जब ले गाड़ी को, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कहीं ना कहीं सोल्यूशन निकलना है. So surely we will think of in that line, and we are still thinking, and we are, as suggested by us, we have a group. I don't want to boast, but in the last 4 years, alumni group I am added to. How much they react and how much important it is, they don't realize now, but I am still connected with them. So this batches, last 5 years batch we have, and surely now when we saw 1000 से ज़्यादा तो एक ग्रुप में आ नहीं सकते, तो हमको फिर बैच वाइज बैच बनाना पड़ा. उस बैच को हमने डिलीट नहीं किया है. कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि फादर भी जुड़े हुए हैं. एक उम्र के बाद में सबकी अपनी लैंग्वेज, अपना तरीका बदलता है. सबको मेरा ज़मान महाराजा नहीं बनने वाले हैं. I'm also local, so it's okay. But then they should get a decorum, fine, and they will continue this group. We will still add to, and I hope my present core committee will still help me to go ahead with these things, and we will come out with the conclusion. Yes, some other people? Yeah.
Good morning, Father.
Yeah.
So, green के सबसे हमारे जनरेशन में ये चीज़ थोड़ी ज़्यादा थी. I can see छावा मैम, I can see नवीन सर, विकास सर, ये जो सतपाल सर, तो ये जो सारी चीज़ें थी ना, इस एज में फ्रॉम 8th क्लास टू 12th क्लास एक स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर से बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि एक फ्रेंडली टीचर इन लिमिट्स. दैट आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन वेरी क्लियरली, बट इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. सो मुझे नहीं पता कितनी इम्पोर्टेंस लर्निंग को, इंग्लिश को, बाकी सारी चीज़ों को दी जाए, बट वो 14-15 साल के बच्चे को एक फ्रेंडली एनवायरनमेंट मिलना जरूरी है. सो वो चीज़ के लिए टीचर्स एक तो ज़रूरी है. मैम छावा मेरे को देख रही है, उन्होंने मेरे को बचपन से देखा है, तो मैं बस यही रिपीट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर ये चीज़ के ऊपर थोड़ा और एम्फेसिस दिया जाए. मैं स्कूल में डरता था, कुछ लोगों से तो डेफिनेटली डरता था, बट कुछ लोगों ने कंफर्ट नहीं दिया, तो इसलिए आज खोल के बोल पा रहा हूँ कि कंफर्ट नीडेड है और वो कंफर्ट दिया है.
ओके.
मोबाइल पर हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. एक और मैटर हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर सर्वे किया, अभी करियर काउंसलिंग की बात हो रही थी कि बच्चे आगे जाके करियर में क्या कर सकते हैं. तो सबसे पहले उसमें विषय आता है कि बच्चे पढ़ाई करके सीए बने, अलग अलग फील्ड में जाएं, दिल्ली जाएं, बॉम्बे जाएं, अब्रोड जाएं. अभी एक सर्वे हमने किया था कुछ कॉलोनीज़ में, ऐसी उसमें लेन्स आई जिसमें 20% घर ऐसे थे जहाँ पर सिर्फ एक बुढ़ा बुढ़िया डोगरा डोगरी रह रहे हैं, बच्चे नहीं हैं. जैसे ब्यावर का हॉस्पिटल है, कुछ एक्सीडेंट हुआ, वहाँ पे पेशेंट पहुँचा, उसको आगे रेफ़र कर दिया. वैसे ही हमारे बच्चों के साथ हो रहा है. बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ाई करते हैं और रेफ़र टू बड़े शहरों में चले गए हायर सेंटर. तो कहीं स्कूल और पेरेंट्स आपस में कोऑर्डिनेशन करके कोई ऐसा बच्चे आपस में कॉम्बिनेशन बनाएं कि ब्यावर में ही मिलकर कुछ कर सके और पेरेंट्स के साथ भी रह सकें, ताकि हमारी वैल्यूज़ भी बनी रहे और पेरेंट्स को भी. तो 20% पेरेंट्स हमने देखे कॉलोनीज़ में, जो सिर्फ 2 पेरेंट्स रह रहे, बच्चों ने बहुत तरक्की कर ली है. तो ये एक आवश्यकता कि कुछ ऐसा यहाँ मिल के कर सकें कि बच्चे यहाँ भी रह सकें, और जो बाहर जाना चाहे वो तो खैर जो प्रोग्रेस के लिए जाना है वो ज़रूरी है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके. My humble regrets for the canteen.
तो एटलीस्ट once a week बाहर आके खा सके, ताकि
आपके साथ में कहाँ जाके बैठना है, राज होटल पे जाके बैठ सकते हैं. आई एम रेडी. ओके. रिगार्डिंग कैंटीन प्लीज, आई हैव माई थिंकिंग. आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम द रिच फैमिली. मुझे पॉकेट मनी कुछ नहीं मिलता था. क्या आज हमारे स्कूल में ऐसे बच्चे हो सकते हैं जिनको पॉकेट मनी नहीं मिलता होगा? आप रोज जाकर के विवियन के साथ में कचौरी खा लेंगे, एक दिन विवियन को व्हाई डू यू वांट टू मेक फील दैट. दूसरा, हमारी बहुत सारी मम्मियाँ आजकल बीमार रहती हैं जो सुबह खाना नहीं बना पाती हैं, और हमारी बहुत सारी मम्मियाँ हैं जो डबल ट्रिपल खाना बना करके बच्चों के साथ में भेजती हैं. और हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर क्लास के अंदर, आप बच्चों से पूछेंगे, लोग से ही पूछेंगे, बीइंग ए आर्ट स्टूडेंट, मैं जब भी गया शिवा मैम के साथ में बैठ करके आपने परिवार के रूप से खाना खाया. मुस्लिम समाज का जो पूरा हाल सोचता है ऐसे बैठ कर खाना खाते हैं. कौन सा प्रिंसिपल आपको अलाउ करता है? आई थिंक दैट इज़ मोर बेटर कि अगर एक नहीं ला रहा है तो दूसरा उसका साथ दे रहा है। एंड हमारे पास में टाइम की कमी है। 2000 बच्चों को अंदर खदेड़ना, बाहर निकालना में हमारा 40 घंटा भर निकल जाता है। तो पढ़ाएंगे कब? मिलना है तो शाम के वक्त आप मिलें, पूरा ग्राउंड खाली है यहाँ पे, और मैं आपके साथ में मिलता हूँ। रही बात हमारे दूसरे भाई की जो अभी फ़ोन पर है, उन्होंने सजेशन दिया था कि हमारे टीचर्स फ्रेंडली नहीं है। आज तो आप टच ही नहीं कर सकते, तो फ्रेंडली हो गए और फ्रेंडली हो गए, इसलिए हमारे बच्चे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा उठाते हैं। माँ बाप कहते हैं फादर हमारा तो एक ही है, एक ही नहीं संभल रहा है, हमारे 2000 संभालने पड़ रहे हैं। सो दैट इज़ देयर, कांट हेल्प इट। ये आप लोग कर सकते हैं, आप लोग कुछ कर सकते हैं। और आपने जो सर्वे किया इज़ रियली वर्थ वाइल, वेरी वर्थ वाइल। आप वी आर गोइंग टू डू। कंसेंट फॉर्म भरने के बाद में बोल देते हैं। आपको मैं बताऊँ, यहाँ पर अगर किसी टीचर ने मार भी दिया, उसके पेरेंट्स लड़ने नहीं आएंगे। राहुल लड़ने के लिए आएगा। मेरे बच्चे को इमोशनल फीलिंग हो गया है, वो तो डिप्रेशन में आ गया है। मारा तो मेरे छाबा के लड़के को है, राहुल शर्मा जी को प्रॉब्लम आ गई है, क्या करें? Yeah, so these are things which we are going to have. Yeah, now from that side, Blue House.
Professional swimming pool. So, and the school has a very good place as well as money also. So, I think badminton court is already here. I don't know swimming and I doubt whether I'll be able to learn or not. But a small kid can always learn, and in Bihar there is no place where a person can learn a swimming. So I think we should have a proper swimming pool. Second suggestion, I don't know whether this thing happens in the school or not, but this is something really serious regarding a good touch and a bad touch. And this is seriously related to a...
had a session, we have a sessions.
So we should definitely have this initially when a kid comes in LKG or HKG. Maybe we can do it with the parent also, that what is a good touch and a bad touch, and what are the intentions if somebody is touching a small child. Thank you so much.
I think
can we have a platform where all the locals or the outsiders can display what they are doing, what they are in business, or in local also they can suggest what business है। जैसे कि राहुल भाई का दही बड़े का बहुत फेमस है, तो ऐसे हम लोग हमारे सजेस्ट कर सकें कि हमारा बिजनेस है, तो so that it goes to all and it supports in their business. Or also if someone come for their any investment ideas like startup funding, so we can make a group and have this type of interaction with all those, that they can invest or they can help them in business. Or also we can, if we require that, myself if we require some student or for my office job, then we can communicate this to
कि बच्चे मोबाइल पे कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें सीखते हैं और कुछ ख़राब चीज़ें सीखते हैं। मेरा सजेशन सब पेरेंट्स को है कि क्या पेरेंट्स अपना मोबाइल छोड़ पाते हैं, कि वो अपने बच्चों को क्वेश्चन करें कि तुम मोबाइल छोड़ दो। एक रूम में हम बैठे हैं तो सब जने अपने मोबाइल पे लगे, लंच या डिनर कर रहे तो मोबाइल पे लगे, तब हम अपना मोबाइल नहीं छोड़ सकते। तो हाउ कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट आवर चिल्ड्रन टू लीव? हमारे चिल्ड्रन तो अब 4G टेक्नोलॉजी के हैं, हम तो बहुत पुराने हैं, 5G हो गए। एग्जैक्टली। तो जो स्कूल है वो सबसे फैमिली इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग जहाँ पे बच्चा कल्चर सीखता है, वैल्यूज सीखता है, एथिक्स सीखता है। सेकंड इज़ द स्कूल जहाँ वो एथिक्स के साथ एटिकेट सीखता है, मैनर्स सीखता है, सोशली बिहेव करना सीखता है। तो ये सब चीज़ पेरेंट्स के लिए भी एप्लीकेबल है कि वो अपनों बच्चों को बोलने के पहले अपने आप को भी देखें।
थैंक यू मैम। अभी समस्या
नो स्क्रीन डे रखिए, पेरेंट्स भी उस दिन अपना मोबाइल यूज़ नहीं करें और बच्चे भी अपना मोबाइल यूज़ करें। नो स्क्रीन डे। One more suggestion, Father. The facilities provided by the school, badminton court, and should be available to alumni also.
For others also. It is available with nominal charges because we have a professional coach and to maintain the stadium. So you are also most welcome. All of you can.
Such a wonderful event. I don't have any suggestion, but I have certain suggestions regarding certain things which our students can go beyond. Whether आप और टीचर्स परफेक्ट हैं पढ़ाने में, और उसके एग्जाम्पल आज यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हैं। आप लोग इतने परफेक्ट हैं कि आज हम अपनी लाइफ में बहुत परफेक्शन के साथ जी रहे हैं। रही बात, बॉस ने बोला था कि हम यहाँ पर कुछ जॉब क्रिएट करें, तो आई वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट कि आप स्कूल में एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप सेल चालू करें, सो दैट वहाँ पे आके आप डिफरेंट सक्सेसफुल एलुमनाई, बिजनेस पीपल, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को बुलाएं, उनकी स्टोरी शेयर करें, उनके साथ एक सेशंस रखें, सो दैट सिंस बिगनिंग एक बच्चे को एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने की एक चाह हो, एक अंदर क्रिएटिव बैंड हो, एक ज़ील हो, एंथुसियाज्म हो, सो दैट ये जो 20% हर सोसाइटी में या हर मोहल्ले में पेरेंट्स अकेले हैं, वो अकेले ना हो और हम कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ से एक एंटरप्रेन्योर सेल के थ्रू एक एंटरप्रेन्योर डेवलप करना चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Okay, Jaspal sir has summarized before our classes. Each and every class is started with meditation and head down. All the teachers as well as the students are advised to head down before and after the class. Means meanwhile the two classes, each and every student should head down. So it is a time for meditation at least 8 times in a day. So if students are having keen interest and parents are guiding them that these are the advantages of meditation, then definitely the students will be benefited, and we will have more meditation classes, or we can say sessions for our students. So the first advice is accepted meditation we will have and we are having. Then the second suggestion is very good suggestion. Alumni should help needy students in 2-3 regards. The first, in case of needy student, alumni students should support them financially. Then second, there should be career counseling by alumni students. Some alumni entrepreneurs should be role model, so they must have such kind of sessions in a year or twice a year, so that all the students may have their alumni with them and they will be a good example for them. Career counseling definitely we are having, and we will try to have more career counseling sessions. Practical educations we are giving. We are having so many of the educational tours, trips, as well as we are having our factory visit also. Every year our students are going to some factory or some villages or some rural area, and they are getting good ethical as well as the practical knowledge. And alumni entrepreneurs, those who are alumni entrepreneurs and are having their good startups, please register your entrepreneur as well as your introduction today itself, so that definitely we will call in very short notice. So you will be an example for our students and we will be benefited. So thank you all of you for such kind of suggestions, and I would like to hand over the mic to Father.
Yes, some conclusions. One of the small boys asked his grandfather, you don't have 3G, we have all 1G, 2G, 3G and all, or even 4G, you don't have any Gs. He said, in my time, we had only 3 Gs. One is Mataji, Pitaji and Guruji. So these 3 Gs are very important, not there are other 5 Gs. Secondly, someone said that the teachers should be very friendly with the students. You know, now at this present time, it is very, we find it very difficult to be so friendly with them, because we get a little scared that they may take advantage. But I found that in those days, 25 years back, the students who were, slapped more or beaten more, they are so friendly with us now. Mohit used to get a lot of beatings and kneeling down, sending him out of the school. Every day. Ravi Pratap Singh, another one who used to get from me so much. But Ravi Pratap Singh, when I was going to Jaipur, as I reached Jaipur, one car suddenly came in front of me and he stopped me. And he came out of the car and he touched my feet. Father, do you remember me? I couldn't remember. Ravi Pratap Singh used to beat me a lot. So he remembered that, and then I remember, yes, Ravi Pratap Singh. That is the affection that they show now. You see, this kind of affection we are not able to get now. Even when you are passing by, these students nowadays don't even wish the teachers or principals. So that kind of situation has come, especially after the COVID. Because in the COVID time, the parents are very, very sensitive and very possessive of their children. And so they are not able to even scold the children or punish the children for anything. So that kind of situation is there. That's why we are not able to be so friendly with them. But yet, we are trying our best. Thirdly, somebody said about swimming pool. Swimming pool is a very good thing. In some of the schools they have. But you know how much they charge the students with the pretext of the swimming pool. Only for the swimming pool, thousands of rupees are charged as fees. Okay, one is that. Secondly, when I was in Kota, in Kota, St. Paul's, that school has much more area than this. So I suggested to Bishop or President for the swimming pool there. He said to have a swimming pool in Rajasthan where there is lack of water, it is a sin. To have a swimming pool in a school in Rajasthan, it is a sin. Why? A lot of water will be wasted where people are not getting water to drink. One is that thing. Secondly, we may not be able to do justice to children, for so many children to have swimming, and of course evening there will be time, but during the school time it will not be. And these are the reasons, some of the reasons are there for that. We will not be able to implement that suggestion. But there are so many other suggestions that you have given, and we will try to implement them and make this school one of the best schools in Rajasthan. I wish them all the best, and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Father has not mentioned in St. Anselm's School, Ajmer. He is almost completing 125 years. Together with that,
Parvatpura St. Joseph School is same. When they celebrated its centenary, Vasundhara Madam had come there, and there is a time I was a principal in Parvatpura School, a bit village school, celebrating centenary, and Ma'am Pratibha Patil had come. We have so many schools where the parents have educated their children in the school and they have sponsored. Sponsoring a weak student, sponsoring a financially weak student, sponsoring a student who is brilliant for higher studies. For example, now we have the only girl who has topped Vyawar after Vyawar becoming the district. Can we think of her something? We have 10th class student who has topped Vyawar. She has gone from here, she has taken the TC. But can we do something for her? Can we motivate them for that? Be sure of your money, as we had decided. 2 lakhs is the minimum, where your names will be written. For 20 years, 10,000 rupees. Or for 40 years, 5,000 rupees cash prize to that particular child for whom you are going to sponsor. And the interest of that money, up to lakhs, will be given to the poor students. Like senior students of ours still contribute some money, and we are sponsoring still the two-girl child of Narbad Kira who were forced to get married, who were forced to be sold. So those children we have adopted, and we have taken the assurance from the parents that we will educate these children till 10th class. And our senior most students contribute when they have the farewell function, they give little extra money, and we are running that show. So why not this way we can do, and your money will be your money. It will be well accounted, well audited, and we will surely, yearly statement will be there in our website. For the alumni group separately we will have in our school website. Yes.
Father, as a group we have a suggestion from our side, from our alumni. The students who are in RTI over here, we will be taking their expenses for higher education.
Thank you for this suggestion, but unfortunately we are a minority institution where RTI is not implemented. But still there are some poor students, at least 20-25 students are there who are not able to pay the fees, and we are seeing
Our batch 1991 to 90, our batch will
sponsor. You take care first. It's a good suggestion. We are the senior most students coming out to take care of those students who are financially weak. Yeah, this type of suggestions you can still come out in your group or in this by evening. You can still suggest or you can suggest it. Let this not be just khana pina sona and kevla kudna. Let's come out with some concrete plan. Okay, so we're going for the concrete plan 1. Now we have 15 minutes among you all to decide what you're going to do in the evening for cultural program. After that, we are going to assemble here at maybe 12:40 in line, batch by batch, 11 classrooms, and you're going to go to the classrooms for 20 minutes in the classes. And then there will be bell, and then you'll have prayer, and that is the end of your class. And then you can go around to visit the campus and also have lunch and come back at 2 o'clock once again here. You see, कितनी जल्दी 12 बज गई, अपनी नहीं, घड़ी की. ओके, तो घड़ी की तो 12 बज रही, टाइम बहुत कम है अपने पास में, बहुत कुछ करने के लिए, कहने के लिए, शेयर करने के लिए. और जब हम लंच ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे थे, मैंने देखा कुछ बैच क्लासरूम में भी थे. हम लोग हाईटेक में हो गए, अपने ऑफिस में बैठ करके आपको देख सकता हूँ, आपकी आवाज़ सुन सकता हूँ. तो दोनों चीज़, ऑडियो वीडियो आपका रिकॉर्ड हो चुका है. तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज विजिट दैट. ओके, सो दिस इज द टाइम फॉर यू ऑल टू इंटरेक्ट अमंग योर ग्रुप्स एंड कम आउट विथ योर आइडियाज फॉर इवनिंग कल्चर प्रोग्राम. 10 minutes. For 10 minutes by 12:40, our teachers, volunteers and senior teachers will stand as a class teachers. It is open to you all.
Before you go, all have got? Find them. Group 1, 92-93 batch will go to 8th A with Padmini ma'am and Grace ma'am. Group 2, 94 batch, 8B with Rajan sir and Kusum ma'am. Group 3, 95-97 batch, 8C with Lalita ma'am and Abanti sir. And Group 4, 1998-2004 batch will go to 8th D with Nandini ma'am and Mukesh sir. 2001 batch Group 5 will go to 7th A with Tak ma'am and Jaspal sir. They can use the channel gate towards the right side of the school building. All these classes 7A, 8A, B, C, D are towards the right side in the quadrangle. I can see everybody moving. You have to discuss about your cultural program and give your name to the in charge. Sir and Ritu ma'am, 2012-2019, 9A, Nupur ma'am and Sushma ma'am, 2020-2022, 9B, Yashwant sir and Shilpa Joseph ma'am. These classes are towards the left side in quadrangle, and all the class teachers are requested to select 4 names randomly and keep with them.
हो गया, आप जरूर करिएगा. So you have talents here. You are getting the platform once again. दिल तो बच्चा है, सही है. काम अपन लेट चल रहे हैं. आ जाओ, थोड़ी सी क्लासरूम फीलिंग भी आप 27 students, 92 and 93 only. 95 नहीं है, 92 and 93.
91 8C with Lalita ma'am.
ललिता मैम के साथ में 8C.
No, 2001 batch, 7A.
चलो आगे.
Together and close your eyes.
our sins as we forgive those whose sins against you. After there will be a bell for the concluding the campus visit, and other instructions will be given to you at 1 o'clock. Now we have 15 minutes for your individual class sessions.
At the end of the class, kindly give the one.
Saurabh Teacher, present. Saurabh Singhal, Shahnawaz, Shilpa, yes, I know. Shreya Surana, yes, Vaibhav Lodha, Dinesh Kaushik, Nyaya. हाँ, बिल्कुल अभी पढ़ाते रहे एक वीडियो वगैरह, yes. 2 मिनट में हमारे यहाँ रियल पढ़ाई होगी, बाकी सब चीजें नहीं होगी. विपुल जैन, विपुल मेडसवार, अभिषेक आया अभिषेक
one sincere student to me.
तो लाइफ में क्या होता है, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि यार ये काम हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा, तो उसका पता कैसे चले? तो उसका जो पता चलता है उसके लिए एक वर्ड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, पता क्या होता है? और एक बहुत अच्छी सी वो मैंने थोड़ा सा हेल्दी में आपको बताऊंगा, अपनी भाई बच्चों की कर्सिव की कॉपी कौन भरती है? भाई भी भरती है, अपनी कॉपी मम्मी ने भरी थी। तो ये कर्सिव वाली जो अपनी कॉपी होती है ना, वो सब गर्ल्स के लिए, लेडीज के लिए होती है। अपन तो हैंडराइटिंग सुधरते हैं।
Around the school in free period, and teachers were absent. Economics की class
मैंने बोला ना तो ऊपर से दिखता था, बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं किया। उसने कुछ किया, इसने इंटरेक्ट किया, जाके पढ़ लिया।
सर साइमन मैम और वो नहीं स्टेला मैम,
Simon ma'am is gone. She's gone. I don't know where she's gone. She has left Pyawas. She's and Stella. She's Stella. Daughter passed away. Younger daughter.